Just a minute. Okay. I think now you all can see, as I told you in the last
Yes,
class,
sir.
that I have created a YouTube channel so that all the recordings of the classes will be uploaded, and also some other topics of yours will also be uploaded. If you are interested, you can view that. Okay. In any cases, if you are not able to attend the class or due to internet problem or anything, you can watch the channel and the videos. Okay. But I request all of you to please subscribe so that you can see. Okay, whenever I am uploading the videos, I'm in a process. Okay, it will take some 1 or 2 days more time so that I will be uploading with all dates. Okay, now let us start the today's session. Can you all see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So in the last class, as we were discussing about the MOSFET and other thing, just today we will be discussing in detail how we can design. Somebody is coming, I think. Let me allow them. Okay, how we can design the basic gates. Okay, so you all are aware that there are different types of gates that are there. They are and or not, basic gates and or not. To get derivative gates, in the last semester we have studied. Okay, so universal gates are NAND, NOR. Okay, and you have derivative gates of XOR and XNOR. Okay, these are the different gates. So now in today's section, very important gates you are going to design with the help of the transistors, or you can say the PMOS transistor, the NMOS transistor, and the CMOS transistor. Okay, now let us start to analyze and understand how we can go in designing the different circuits or the different gates. Once you know the designing of gate, you can design many circuits, because the fundamental is gate. Once you're clear with the fundamental, you can design any circuit which gates have been utilized. Okay, so today, as you can see, in the last session in the PPT also I've shown you that there are PMOS, NMOS and CMOS. PMOS, the textbook it is written wrong. Just try to see here. When I'm saying PMOS, okay, it means it has a channel of P. That is why the name is given as PMOS. Similarly, for NMOS, your channel will be N. That point is clear. These are just a revision what we have studied in the last class. And in CMOS, you will have both P and N. Okay? It's a complement form. Now let us try to understand first the full form of it. As I told you, it's a P channel. MOS stands for metal oxide semiconductor. Okay, so PMOS stands for a P channel metal oxide semiconductor. NMOS stands for N channel metal oxide semiconductor. CMOS stands for complementary metal oxide semiconductor. In PMOS we have both PMOS as well as NMOS. Clear? Is this points are clear? You can get an objective question. In PMOS, what is a channel? P, N, P and N, none of the above. So you have to write P. Okay. So here also you can get an objective questions with only this three. Okay, points whatever I have written. Also you can get the question like that. What is the full form of PMOS? Okay, what is the full form of NMOS? What is the full form of CMOS? Very very important. CMOS is very efficient and effectively used. Actually we have to discuss about the CMOS, but one cannot be directly design the CMOS until and unless it is clear with the PMOS and NMOS. So to go and understand the CMOS in detail, it is a prerequisite for you to understand how we can design with PMOS and NMOS. Okay, then we will combine all the good points of PMOS and NMOS to get our complementary metal oxide semiconductor. As the name of itself indicates complementary, that means both PMOS and NMOS will be present. Okay, now already I have drawn all this symbol. I've told you it's a PMOS, arrow will be outside, so this is the symbol for it. Okay, if you want I can draw it for you in paint also. So in PMOS, okay, see you can design like this also. Then This two always you can connect directly. Okay, I'm telling you how the easiest way is there. Symbol. Once you are clear with the symbol, most of the work will be done. And here, and somebody is coming, I think I should allow them. Let me allow. Okay, now. Okay, so P arrow will be pointing outside. If it's an N type, arrow will be pointing inside. See, I'm drawing with the mouse, so it's a little bit clumsy. Okay, here always you know that it is a drain, it is a source, it is a gate, and this fourth one is substrate. Okay, arrow pointing one is a substrate, so you can write here if you want substrate. Okay, so like this is a symbol, the basic thing that you must require to design any of the circuit. As you know that it's a insulated gate, so that is why there's a gap between these two. Okay, now we have to design a PMOS inverter. See, inverter design is very simple. First, see the PMOS inverter, everyone. First, what you have to do is you have to take two PMOS. Okay, one in the down one will always be referred as now onwards pull down. Above transistor we will say pull up. Is that 2 point is clear to you? Pull up and pull down. See, you have to remember all this. Pull up transistor and pull down transistor. ठीक है, सो पुल अप जो ऊपर रहेगा ट्रांजिस्टर उसको हम बोलते हैं पुल अप, जो नीचे ट्रांजिस्टर इज प्लेस दैट इज रेफर्ड एज पुल डाउन ट्रांजिस्टर. In case of any doubt, please ask me so that I can clear. If you have any doubt, no doubts. Okay. So the symbol is clear to you. All these 3 points are cleared. And then I told you the terms called as pull-up transistor and pull-down transistors. Okay. Now see, to design an inverter, what you have to do is always you should remember 2 3 points you have to remember in the design. Okay, in the pull up transistor we will always be connected VDD. VDD is a DC power supply to make this transistor on. ये ट्रांजिस्टर को अगर ऑन करना है तो आपको डीसी पावर सप्लाई देना होगा, और डीसी पावर सप्लाई इज वीडीडी. ओके, ड्रेन. वीडीडी मतलब ये फिक्स्ड है. ठीक है, यू कैन गिव एनी वैल्यू टू इट. नाउ one more thing, that it is a P, so you have to write minus VDD. ठीक है, next when you will study you will understand everything. As I told you that one input should be forward bias, output should be reverse bias based upon that. Okay, and this lower MOSFET as you have designed in the symbol, see same symbol you have placed it here. The bottom source you will be grounding now. Okay, first let me explain you the design, then I will explain you the operation of it. Now all the drain and the source of the first and second pull up and pull down will be combined together, and here you will get the output. Okay, at this point, and here the substrate will be made to be ground. Now just see how you have to understand the operation. Okay, now this is I am referring MOSFET, lower MOSFET I am referring to be Q2 as pull down transistor, as pull up transistor I am referring to Q1. Now whenever I am saying Q1 you should understand it's a pull up transistor we are talking about. Whenever I am saying Q2 you must understand I am talking about the pull down transistor. The input you have to always apply to the pull down. Okay, and here the gate will be directly connected to VDD, that means you will short this one. Okay, once the design is clear, let us try to understand how it is going to work. Here, this lower MOSFET or Q2, it's a switching transistor. Switching transistor का मतलब क्या है? Either it will be on or it will be off. That is known as switching transistor. And this Q1 will be an active load. Okay. Active load इसलिए है क्योंकि इसका देखिए गेट को डायरेक्टली you have connected to the drain supply.
Sir, someone
Yes.
is waiting outside.
Someone is waiting outside. Just wait. Okay. I already made it, but the thing is we have to make it to be active, then the people will join automatically. Just wait. See, I'll close this one. Cannot minimize further. It's a problem.
Sir, we can use split screen in this.
No, I don't want to, because if I use split screen, then you people will not be able to see the complete content of it. That is why I'm not doing it. Okay.
Okay, sir. No problem.
Okay. Now see, here operation, you just try to understand. Whenever you are giving the input, okay, input is connected to the lower ground transistor, and this VDD. See, when suppose I am giving here 1, okay, whenever I am giving 1, what will happen? This circuit should come to be 0. Whenever I am giving 0, here it should come 1. First I will ask you, all of you, those who are present in the class, just see this diagram. Do you have any doubt with all the three terminal how we have connected? If you have any doubt, first let us clear that doubt, then we will understand the operation of it. I'll give you 1 minute of the time, just see the diagram. Okay. I hope you have seen the diagram. Now let us try to understand the operation of it. Okay. First of all, what I am doing is I am making the circuit to be connected to the ground. Okay. Whenever you are making this to be open circuited, okay, or when the input is connected to the ground, this lower transistor, see, this lower transistor will not conduct. ये ट्रांजिस्टर ऑफ हो गया, जैसे कि मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया था, दिस विल बी आइदर ऑन और ऑफ. जब भी आप इसको ग्राउंड में कर दोगे, मतलब जीरो दे दोगे, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, ये ऑफ हो जाएगा, ये ट्रांजिस्टर ऑफ हो गया. अब देखिए, ये जो माइनस वीडीडी का सप्लाई है, ये यहां से फ्लो होके आएगा, यहां पे आ गया, इस पॉइंट पे आके यहां पे वो सेम वैल्यू यहां पे आपको मिलेगा. इसके बाद वो जा नहीं सकता क्योंकि ये ऑलरेडी ऑफ है. ठीक है. सो यू विल गेट व्हेनेवर यू आर कनेक्टिंग इट टू द ग्राउंड, दैट मींस जीरो, you are this making the transistor to be off. Okay, Q2 be to off. When Q2 is off, this VDD will flow here and it will come in A bar. So that means whenever you are connecting it to the ground, that means 0, you are getting the output to be 1. Is that point is clear? Now reverse, you try to do it. When you are connecting it to be a minus VDD, whatever minus VDD value is there, you have to connect the more value. Okay, now minus VDD will be acting as a 1 to you. Okay, you have to make more negative value at A, more than this. When you are doing that, what will happen? This will become on. When it will become on, this VDD, this voltage will flow from here and it will flow to the ground. At that time, you will not get the A bar. A bar will be 0. Is that point is clear? Yes. Once again, should I repeat this one? So once it is inverter is clear, all other circuits are very easy. But I want you to understand first circuit very, like you should be understandable, like the inverter. How does it work? Inverter means whenever you are giving 1, you will get 0. Whenever you are giving 0, you will get 1. Here the thing is, whenever I am talking about PMOS inverter, I am saying 0 to be grounded, minus value to be considered to be as 1, because I have considered here minus VDD. Okay. So now when I am connecting this A point to the 0, I am connecting this A point to be 0. Okay, this is a switching circuit. I told you this will become off. As this become off, this value will not be coming here because this is off. Off means open circuited. Open हो गया तो इसमें closed नहीं है, तो ये करंट यहाँ से flow नहीं कर पाएगा, तो ये करंट यहाँ पे flow कर जाएगा and you will get the value as to be 1. But whenever you are giving 1, this will become on. Now this will directly flow to ground and the result will be 0. Is that point is clear to everyone? Yes? At least say yes or no, one of you, so that I can proceed further. Should I call by name?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. See, I don't know whether you people are listening or not, but these are very, very important. Please consider this class equally important as your offline class. Okay, no issue. Now let us try to understand PMOS NAND gate. NAND. Okay. So you know the NAND. Suppose it is your A, B. This type of the circuits are generally interesting when we are taking it in offline. I do understand, because I will be drawing on the board and you can copy down, you can practice then and there. If you have doubt, you can make it clear. In online, you people are not at all listening, not doing any work. You're not taking notebooks, so you're not drawing it. That is why the problem. Okay, no issue. What we can do now, let us try to draw the truth table of the NAND gate, then it would be easier. As I told you to remember, first input 0 0, and then you will have 1 1, and second one 0 1 0 1. Then first AND करेंगे यहाँ पे, AND operation, so that taking the complement of AND is nothing but the NAND. So it would be easier for you, okay? Because that is the last semester you have studied about the fundamental, might be you have forgotten. So have written again. Okay? Now 0 into 0 is 0. So anything multiplied by 0 is 0. So you all know this because fundamental of digital electronic we have studied in detail. So whenever both the inputs are 1, then only your output will be 1. And in NAND it is reverse. All these three cases will be 1, and when both the inputs are high, your output is low. So you need to design a circuit such that your output is this. Whenever you are giving the combination of inputs, okay, you should get output to be this. You can have 3 inputs also, you can have 4 input also. So I told you, right, 4 inputs तक हम कर सकते हैं. तो आपका क्या होगा, 4041. ठीक है, आई टोल्ड यू राइट, 8081. अगर 3 है तो 4041 और एक आ जाएगा. अगर if you have 4 inputs, then you can also add 80 and 81. Okay, all that is very much clear. I think in fundamental of digital electronic we have studied how we can design AND or not NAND. Now with the help of the transistor we are trying to do. So here in this textbook they have taken 3 input NAND gate. Does not matter whether they are saying 4 also, it's okay. If they are saying 2 also, that is also okay. Okay, so don't worry about it. The number of input is just the number of the transistor you have to increase. If they are saying 4, see, whenever you see the diagram, just try to divide this line. Output का ऊपर और output का नीचे. जो भी output के नीचे lines हैं, this all are input. ओके, एंड यहाँ पे आपको आउटपुट मिलेगा. और ये जो है दैट इज नोन एज पुल अप ट्रांजिस्टर. ये आपका एक्टिव लोड है, एंड दिस आर योर सोर्स. ठीक है, स्विचिंग सर्किट की तरह बिहेव करेगा, एंड हियर यू विल गेट दी आउटपुट. नाउ let me zoom it somewhat. Now it is very much visible, I think, for all of you. So let me put, somebody has come. Okay, let me put this screen here. Okay, now you see, if I am saying 2 inputs, then you will not have this circuit. Okay, it is very easy. What you have to do is you can write here B, A, and make this one to be grounded. Okay, so the connections are quite easier. How many number of input they're saying, you connect that number of transistors, and you give, you can give the names A, B, C. You can write anything X, Y, Z. You can write 1, 2, 3, 4. It's up to you. Okay, and you can give the name so that it would be easier for us to explain. Then you will have this one, the pull up transistor, where you will refer to it to be as Q1, and other you can say Q2, Q3, Q4. It's up to you. Okay, just now I shown you the truth table. So here A dot B bar, so it's a 3 input, so you will get A dot B dot C the bar. If it's a 4, A dot B dot C dot D the bar. Okay, based upon the number of inputs. So the design and constructions are very simple. The drain of and source of the second one will be connected similarly here also. And the last transistor you have to remember in the pull down, you have to make that to be ground. That's all. उसके नीचे कुछ और है नहीं, तो उसको आप ग्राउंड से कनेक्ट कर देंगे. बाकी ड्रेन और सोर्स को कनेक्ट करते रहिए. ठीक है, इसका ड्रेन और इसका सोर्स फिर कनेक्ट करेंगे, क्योंकि ये पुल डाउन आपका खत्म होता है, तो वहां पे जो कॉमन टर्मिनल है दैट इज रेफर्ड एज आउटपुट. इज दिस डिजाइन इज क्लियर टू एवरी वन ऑफ यू? Same design. See, I'll just make you a comparison between an inverter and this. See the diagram. In inverter you have only one, right? So you directly connected to the ground. But here you have 3. So I have connected 3. If you have 4, you connect 4. Okay, if you have 2, you connect 2. ठीक है? Now the operations are similar here, but only the thing that you have to remember, in inverter we are directly connecting the VG, the gate 1 of the upper transistor or the pull-up transistor to the VDD, but here you have to connect it to be lesser negative voltage. Okay, that means this will be minus 13, this will be minus 27 volt. Okay, now let us try to explain the operation. You know one thing with the help of the truth table, when you will get the output to be 0 in the NAND when all the inputs are high. Okay, whether it is 3, 4, 5 does not matter, but output will only be 0 when your all inputs are high, 1. Okay, and if any of the input is 1, then also you will get the output to be 1 in the NAND. Okay, so now let us try to see whether that operation is working or not. See, this is ABC, that is your input. If two of the inputs are connected to ground or one of the input is connected to ground, okay, suppose I am taking this to be ground, what will happen? This is off. Okay, if I am connecting this, this will become off. If I am connecting this, if any one of these is off, this current cannot flow to the ground. Yes or no? Do you all follow me? हाँ, if अगर आप इसमें से कोई एक या दो या तीनों को ग्राउंड करोगे तो ये कनेक्शन कहीं ना कहीं टूट जाएगा, ऑफ सर्किट हो जाएगा ना, शॉर्ट सर्किट नहीं होगा, ओपन सर्किट हो जाएगा, और उसके वजह से यहां से जो करंट फ्लो करेगा वो यहां पहुंच नहीं पाएगा. यस, एज वो नहीं पहुंच पाएगा वो यहां तक तो आएगा ही आएगा. सो दैट वैल्यू विल कम हियर एंड यू विल गेट योर आउटपुट. इफ एनी ऑफ दिस इज 0, दैट मीन 0 है तो ये 1 यहां पे आ जाएगा. लेकिन इफ ओनली द केस इफ ऑल दिस आर 1, आप सी बी ए को 1 दीजिए तो ये जो वैल्यू है डायरेक्टली यहां पे आया, 1 दिया आपने, ये शॉर्ट सर्किट हो गया, यहां तक आ गया, फिर 1 दिया, शॉर्ट सर्किट हो गया, यहां तक आ गया, फिर 1 दिया, शॉर्ट सर्किट हुआ, ग्राउंड में चला गया. दैट मीन्स व्हेन ऑल दिस इनपुट्स ए बी सी आर 1, then only this value, the VDD, the current which is flowing across this will go to the ground, and hence you will not get the output. Output will be 0. ठीक है? और अदरवाइज इफ यू आर कनेक्टिंग एनी ऑफ दिस टू बी 0, दैट मीन्स अगर सोचिए आपने ए एंड बी को 1 दिया, ये शॉर्ट सर्किट हो गया, मगर दिस सी इज ओपन सर्किट, ये यहाँ पे कोई रास्ता ही नहीं है, तो दिस वैल्यू विल नॉट गो हियर, राइट? Whether you are making C to be 0 or all this 3 to be 0 or A to be 0, it cannot go to the ground. At that time this value will come here directly. Okay, so you can see we can satisfy this truth table. Okay, if all the inputs are high then your output is 0. Okay, first you consider that you make all these 3 to be on means short circuit, short circuit, short circuit. This is all already on, this will directly come to the ground. Okay, once it is directly coming to the ground you will not get the output, so output is 0. Now this is 0, this R1, short circuit, open circuit, this cannot flow here, so this value will come here. Okay, you can see if any of this is 0, your output is 1 because this value cannot flow to the ground, it will go to the output terminal. But if all the values you are making it to be 1, that means short circuit, short circuit, short circuit, this will flow directly to the ground, and hence your result which you are going to get is 0. Is that point is clear to everyone? Easy, right? Yes or no? Any one of you can say yes
Yes,
or no.
yes, sir.
एक क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूं मैं आपसे, ये पीमोस नैंड को मैं एंड कैसे बना सकता हूं बताइए, टेक्स्ट बुक में नहीं मिलेगा आपको. कैन एनीवन यूज योर ब्रेन एंड टेल मी, नैंड को एंड कैसे बना सकेंगे? ओके, नैंड और एंड में डिफरेंस क्या है? एक नॉट गेट है, राइट? यस और नो? सी से एटलीस्ट यस और नो सो दैट आई कैन
Yes, sir.
कंटिन्यू. हाँ,
Yes,
तो अभी
sir.
आपके पास नैंड है, तो आप अगर इसको और एक नॉट गेट दोगे, क्योंकि आई टोल्ड यू राइट, if you are complementing 0 twice, what the value is 0. yes or no? और 1 को अगर आप दो बार कॉम्प्लीमेंट करोगे तो आंसर 1 रहेगा, राइट? अगर एक बार कॉम्प्लीमेंट करोगे तो वो रिवर्स हो जाएगा, तो हमको एक बार कॉम्प्लीमेंट करना है इसको, तो ये रिवर्स हो जाएगा, 1 का जगह 0, 0 का जगह 1, 1 का जगह 0, 0 का जगह 1. तो नाउ व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज From the NAND, can we design AND? Yes, we can design AND. It is very easy. ये जो आउटपुट है ना, यहाँ पे देखिए, ध्यान से देखिए, यहाँ पे आपको ये इन्वर्टर लगाना है, ये ए जो यहाँ पे दिया है, बाकी इसका आगे लगाना है आपको, समझ में आया? इन्वर्टर इसके बाद बना देंगे, इन्वर्टर का जो इनपुट है दैट विल बी योर वाई. क्लियर टू एवरीवन? यस सर, नो?
यस सर.
हाँ, तो ये वाला जो है इसके आगे आप फिर से इन्वर्टर बना देंगे, ठीक है, तो वो आपको नैंड से एंड में दे देगा. इन एग्जाम दिस क्वेश्चंस कैन बी आस्क. आपका अगर देखिए अभी तो सब कुछ सिचुएशंस नॉर्मल हो रहे हैं, सो माइट बी कॉलेज ओपन हो सकता है नेक्स्ट मंथ तक. इफ द कॉलेज इज रीओपनिंग by next month or mid of next month, definitely you will have the subjective type of examination in GTU. Then you have to design all this circuit. Okay, so that is why the designs are very important. You are getting this question for 6 marks, 5 marks, 4 marks. Okay, now next one. देखिए कभी भी एक बात याद रखिए, नैंड में आपको जो सीरीज में मिला है, नॉर में आपको उसको पैरेलल करना है, ठीक है? देखिए ए बी सी यहाँ पे सीरीज में हमने बनाया था, अब इसको पैरेलल बना दीजिए. ए बी सी नीचे वाले टर्मिनल सबको मिला के ग्राउंड कर रहे हैं, ऊपर का सारे ड्रेन टर्मिनल को हम इसको पुल अप ट्रांजिस्टर से कनेक्ट कर देंगे. बाकी सारे ऑपरेशन आपका सेम रहेगा जो मैंने अभी आपको एक्सप्लेन किया है. नाउ लेट मी एक्सप्लेन यू द ट्रूथ टेबल फॉर, because these are clear, so I'll quickly rub it and I'll write or and nor, ठीक है, so that it would be easier for you to understand. Without truth table it would be difficult. Okay, so what is an expression for OR gate? Suppose this is OR, your inputs are A and B. What is an expression for OR gate? It is A B or A plus B? Is I'm audible? Is it A B or A plus B?
Sir, AB.
AB is and bacha, it will be A plus B.
Okay,
Okay?
sorry.
Or
A plus B.
okay, and nor it will be A plus B bar. ठीक है, this is your nor. So now what you will do is, first you will design nor, फिर नॉर को एक इन्वर्टर से कनेक्ट कर दोगे, आपको मिल जाएगा और, ठीक है, सेम स्ट्रैटेजी वी हैव टू फॉलो. ओके, नाउ आई विल जस्ट रब दिस. You know the truth table. Anyways, I am writing it for your understanding purpose. Now 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 is 1. ठीक है, इसका रिवर्स कर दीजिए. नॉर में 1 0 0 and 0. So first you will design this circuit, then you will connect with an inverter and you will get the OR circuit. Okay, now let us try to see how we can do that. As I told you, here you have connected in series. ये याद रखिएगा, नॉर में आपको पैरेलल में करना है. इफ इट इज ए PMOS, ठीक है, NMOS we will be seeing in the tomorrow's class. We will finish NMOS and CMOS. In today's class we will finish till PMOS. Okay, so just try to understand. See, it is same. आप जो सीरीज में कनेक्ट कर रहे थे, पैरेलल में कनेक्ट करोगे. Your substrate I'm just taking it to be a common thing only, so I'm saying सोर्स का तीनों को एक साथ मिला के उसको ग्राउंड कर दीजिए, एंड देन all drains of the three inputs will be connected together and it will be given to the source of your pull up transistor या फिर active load. Okay, other connections are all same, so there is no change. Now let us try to see whether we are getting the output in that case or not. Okay, suppose I am giving the first case 0 0 0. ट्रूथ टेबल सेटिस्फाई करते हैं, ठीक है. ट्रूथ टेबल में क्या लिखा है देखिए, इंपॉर्टेंट कौन कौन सा चीज हमको देखना है. जब सारे 0 0 0 है तब आपको 1 मिलना है, या फिर कोई भी अगर 1 है तो भी आपको 0 मिलेगा, राइट. तो ये दो कोई केस अगर हम कंसीडर कर पाते हैं, देन वी आर राइट. सो फर्स्ट केस आई एम गोइंग टू कंसीडर व्हेन ऑल योर इनपुट्स आर 0. ठीक है, I think you know the truth table, so let me quickly go to here. 0 means ground, this is ground, this is ground. Ground मतलब क्या है, ये क्या हो गया अभी, ट्रूथ टेबल देखिए, जब भी आप 0 0 0 करेक्ट करेंगे आपको 1 मिलना है, ठीक है। आप देखिए ग्राउंड ग्राउंड ग्राउंड, ग्राउंड मतलब क्या है, ओपन सर्किट, दिस इज ऑफ, यहाँ पे कोई कनेक्शन नहीं है, दिस इज ऑफ, यहाँ पे कोई कनेक्शन नहीं है, दिस इज ऑफ, यहाँ पे कोई कनेक्शन नहीं है। तो अब ये जो सप्लाई है, यहाँ से जो करंट फ्लो करेगा वो डायरेक्टली क्या, यहाँ भी नहीं जा सकता, यहाँ भी नहीं जा सकता, यहाँ भी नहीं जा सकता, वो डायरेक्टली यहाँ पे आउटपुट टर्मिनल में अवेलेबल रहेगा। दैट मीन्स दिस इज 1, सो दिस 1 विल कम हियर। इज दैट पॉइंट इज क्लियर? इफ इट इज 0 मतलब ग्राउंड ओपन सर्किट, this is 0 means ground open circuit, this is 0 matlab ground it is open circuit, so this value will come directly here and your answer is 1. I hope this is clear. Now let us try to see another case when all are 1. Okay, let us take some unique. 1 means on, that means this is short circuit, whatever is there, it's a single line short circuit, this is also single line, this is also single line. Whatever the value comes, this will directly either from here, some current from here, some current from here, that all will go to the ground and hence your result will be 0. Take another case, this is 1, these two are 0 0 0 matlab open circuit means you are connected to ground. Now this is 1, so this value will flow from here because it is a short circuit and it will go to ground and your result will be 0. Is that point is clear to everyone? See how we are doing. Whenever it is any one is on or all the three are on or any two is on, then this will be short circuit. So this will directly come to the ground and your result will be 0. When all these three are 0, that means this is ground, this is ground, this is ground, this will be open circuit, this will be also open circuit, this line will be open circuit, and hence there is no chance that this value can flow from here to the ground. So this value will come here in the y, that means this 1 will come here and you will get the output to be 1, only 1, when all these three a b c are your 0. If any of this is 1, that particular transistor is short circuit and this will flow directly to the ground and your result is 0. This point is clear to everyone? See, it is very interesting. Even if it is coming in your exam, you can explain all the cases of your truth table. See here, you are designing the 3. So आप 3 है तो आप कितने ट्रूथ टेबल के आप सारे केसेस को ले लीजिए and you can explain. Okay, all the 8 cases you can explain, 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, you can explain all. Okay, so you can write that much content also and you can get full marks. Okay, if it is coming for 6 marks, if it is coming for 4 marks, you have to see, and based upon that you have to write special conditions, or you can write all the states of the truth table. It's up to you. Okay, is that point is clear? Okay, still some time is there. Okay, PMOS NOR gate ho gaya. If you have to design an OR gate, as I told you, to design an OR gate, just complement the output of the NOR gate. ये तो बनाना ही है, इसके साथ साथ आप इसके आगे इन्वर्टर बना दीजिए, ये वाला इन्वर्टर. Okay, this inverter, this A will be connected to this Y. Okay, and whatever here you are getting 1, there you will get 0, whatever you are getting 0, that will you will get 1. Okay, that is why in textbook you will not get that circuit. But anyway, if your papers are quite difficult, you may be asked in exam to design OR gate, but it is very simple because I have explained you. Many people do not explain the concept, they simply draw it and then student will get confused. So आप लोग रट लेते हैं, मेमोराइज कर लेते हैं और जाके ड्रॉ करते हैं, और अगर 2 इनपुट कर दिया तो कंफ्यूज, 4 कर दिया तो कंफ्यूज. But I told you very clearly, the number of inputs will give you the number of the transistors. Okay, if it is a series NAND or and if it is a parallel, if it is a PMOS and PMOS NOR or OR gate. Okay, so it is very easy. Number of input will increase the number of transistor, but the operation will remain the same. There is no change in the operation. Okay, so for today's we will just wind up here, so that in tomorrow session we will be understanding about the NMOS. So NMOS is just the complement of PMOS. So whatever you are doing in P, your symbol will drastically will change into N, and few other changes are there that we will have to discuss. But today if I am going to explain you NMOS design also, you might get confused, so I'm giving you some time so that you can study PMOS once again in your textbook. You can read by yourself, and then if you have doubts you can come up in tomorrow session. We will clear that doubts. If there is no doubt and you have understood the class, or you have studied the text, then it would be very great. Then we can move further for understanding the NMOS. Once this NMOS is get clear, because to explain NMOS there are few points that I have to tell you. Otherwise it is almost same. Whatever here we are doing in series, there we have to do in parallel. Whatever we are doing here in parallel, there we have to do in series, and some minus value will go into plus. That's all, and other things will remain the same. Operations will also be very easy. In case of any doubt, you can ask me. Do you have any doubt till PMOS design of NOR or then NAND
No, sir.
and the inverter? So if your inverter is clear, other things will be very easy, right? So in tomorrow's session, we will study about the NMOS and CMOS. Okay, that will end up your this chapter. Then you can write the assignment questions also, and we will have the mid exam. So as you people are saying me date, it would be good. Otherwise, I will tell you one date so that we can have an exam. So did you decide which date you want to write the exam? CR, Deepak, sorry, Rajesh, both Rajesh, na?
Yes, sir.
Have you decided the dates?
Sir, they are not sure about it. They are like totally confused that which calendar sir exam is that, and other subject we are not informed about which date which exam. So we are not able to share.
No, no, it's like you study and tell me one date so we can go further.